When you come to the beautiful island of El Nido, the main tourist attraction is doing a boat tour. Now, there's various boat tours. There are A, B, C, and D. But today, we're not doing any of those. Here in Outpost, we have two boat tours, the Northern Boat Tour and the Southern Boat Tour. Today, we're going to the Southern Boat Tour, and it's about, I would say, 6 hours, roughly. They said we'll be back before sunset, but we're gonna be jumping in different locations, going snorkeling in different locations, and on top of that, it includes a full seafood lunch where they set out a picnic table on the beach, and overall, we're just gonna have an amazing day. So come along and let's have one of the best days of our life. Hey bro, can I ask you, why is it that you guys have a personalized tour and you don't do like the A, B, C, and D kind of tours?
Yeah, we actually a lot of people asking about that, and yeah, I would say because most of agency and town, like, they just recommend about tour A, tour C,
yeah,
and everyone goes there. So we don't like crowded people. I mean crowded destinations.
Right.
So if like everyone's same place, they just go there, and then yeah, you don't have actually space to take a picture with that. And we decide like to go like a silent place, not really crowded. That's why we do.
Right. And you said you've worked for these places before.
Yeah, I've been working in town, so it's not new for me. So I reckon also about Outpost Store, it's like really different. It's a lot of fun. Also, we got like some drinking game in the boat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so there's drinking games on the boat too. So it's like a little boat party.
It is.
After a 30-minute ride, we have arrived to the first location. And look at this! Whoa! Dude! The water! They were not lying about the water, huh? Jesus.
3 days place. We're gonna go to a more beautiful place than this.
Really?
Yeah.
So this is only like a little teaser.
Yeah.
Wow.
The purpose, we just came here to go at the cave.
Oh, the cave is right there. Okay, cool, cool. Wow, guys, check this out, yo. Incredible. God, that's a jellyfish. That's the hugest jellyfish.
It's not dangerous.
It's not dangerous? No? Wow. This is awesome, bro. Wow. This is what it's all about, bro. This is what it's all about, man.
It's raining here. Here.
And yesterday, guys, it was raining like crazy. But today, beautiful weather. We got lucky, huh? Yeah.
Right.
Is there any animals in there, bro?
Yeah, we have like, you know, this part is so beautiful. You know, the house of like Jurassic Park.
Oh.
And then like you smell like there, like, you know, Batman inside.
Batman is in there. Okay, all right. Let's go find out.
You can find out that. Come on.
Thank you, man.
All right.
Wow. Guys, this is huge. Look at this. This is a serious cave.
Oh my God, this is so great. Yo!
It's like...
When?
He's like, don't do
What
that.
the fuck are you doing there? Anjak, are you there? Guys, be careful because it's like...
Slippery.
There. Because they have also people over there.
My man here just explained to me that basically the tour we're doing today is a combination of the A and C tour?
B.
A and B tour. Just we're not going to the lagoon. He mentioned that the A tour is very nice because you go to the lagoon, it's very beautiful and all, but the other spots are not that great. So yeah, today is gonna be very specialized tour and different to any other tour that actually you can get here in El Nido. And as you can see, this is only the beginning and it's about to get better! That's cool.
Yeah, probably you can play basketball here.
Yeah?
There's a basketball ring, but I think it's broken. But we can play volleyball as well. Yeah.
Okay, alright, awesome. Look at this paradise, guys. We have a volleyball court, and as usual, the Filipinos love basketball. But they said that someone tried to dunk and just fucking demolish the basketball. Hello.
Welcome to
So, you guys live here, huh?
Yes.
This is your hood. Yeah. Wow, what a beautiful place, bro. Every day, Red Horse. Sometimes. At all.
But not
What's
every
that?
day.
That one, the
The local gin.
The local gin. Oh yeah, I've seen it.
If it drunk,
The angel is loose, bro.
Oh,
The devil's win, bro.
The devil wins. Wow.
That's what happened, bro. That what happened.
That's the story behind
That's the
this.
story about like the gin in Philippines, the local gin in Philippines, you know.
Oh my god.
But now get started. It's a good one because the angel is still winning. But he's strong. Yeah, like win the devil,
The
bro.
devil wins. Oh my god.
Because he moving like, oh my god.
You guys mix the gin with a little bit.
strong.
Is it too strong? Okay.
Too strong.
Okay, let's try it. 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 Let's try it.
Try it that way. Oh shit. Come on, man. Water, bro, water. Oh shit.
That's fucking straight, dude.
That's why the devils win, bro.
Oh my god. I thought it was like water with a little bit of gin, but it's straight gin.
Guys, come
Wow.
on.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Oh my god. Hey Sandy, how are you? Oh, he's so pretty. Sandy's so nice. Look at him. He's so cute. Nice to meet you, Sandy. Oh, he's so sweet. He's so sweet. It's only 11 a.m. and this is only the start of this trip, guys. So just fucking stay tuned because it's about to get better. Guys, we just got to Snake Island and wow, bro, the water just gets clearer and clearer. Look at this place. Amazing. Look at the water, dude. Gotta say though, sometimes here in the Philippines I've had some issues and some problems, but I think it's all worth it for this. This is incredible. I've been to a lot of Southeast Asian countries and there is no place that actually looks this perfect. Picture perfect, postcard like kind of location. And the reason why it's called Snake Island is you can see right here. It looks like there's a little snake at the bottom, but it's just a sandbar, huh? It's a sandbar, right?
Right.
Yeah, fucking. Guys, the water is the clearest water I've ever seen. Look, there's little fishes there. It's so beautiful. They have a little bar right here as well. Little. Obviously, the dogs are fucking. Look at them. He doesn't even care. You're so sweet, huh? You're so sweet. So we just came up this little trail. It was only like a minute walk, and then you get this amazing view from the other side of Snake Island. Let's go check it out, Chris.
Yeah, that good.
Let's go check it out. Hey, do you have Instagram, bro?
Huh?
You have Instagram?
Instagram, yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna put your Instagram there so people can
Okay,
follow
man.
you, bro. Go check out Chris, bro. He's a
Yeah.
good guy.
I'm crazy Chris.
He's
At the
crazy
night.
Chris at night.
But Christina always.
And the worst part is he has a twin brother, so there's double trouble.
Yeah,
huh?
twins. Yeah, double trouble. And that one happening. You over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can
that
see
we
the
call
Snake Island right
because
there.
the sandbar,
Yeah.
and that's it.
Hey, how many islands does the Philippines have? Do you know?
Yeah, I got like I think 11,000.
11,000.
I think like that. But yeah,
Fuck.
a good one. But here in Alito we have like 45 islands.
Wow.
Socially in El Nido area, but it's a cool one. It's a beautiful everywhere you go. That's awesome.
Yeah,
you
I
know
agree.
that's why a lot of people, a lot of foreigners, a lot of tourists come here.
Yeah.
Got see our beautiful place here in El Nido, Palawan. The cool one.
Chris is the best. See, it's completely empty in here. It's only us. And what he was explaining to me is that people do come here from other tours, but it's just timing. Time it perfectly. So when we come here, it's only us, and it's not full of tourists. Because he says that this is one of like a very popular spot in the A tour, and a lot of the time there's full of boats here, and a lot of tourists trying to go to the same place that we are. But they time it perfectly, so we have this to ourselves. It's worth it, guys. It's very special, very special. And I gotta say, I'm gonna do a review of all the hostels soon, and outposts. It's spectacular in the sense that the people, the advice, and the experience that you go through in Outpost, it's a lot better than the other hostels that I stayed at called Friends. We've been chilling here for about 15 to 20 minutes and man, so beautiful. Everybody's just at the sandbar having a good time, as you guys saw. And we got our people here cooking our lunch, huh? So this is how you guys cook the lunch. Wow, look how beautiful. Whoa, this guy's an artist. Look at this.
I got a really big knife.
Oh my God.
I'm trying.
And I didn't notice until today, but they have the grill right here in the boat, and that's how they cook all the good stuff that we're about to have for lunch. That's sick. Look at the rice, bro. The Filipino people love the rice. Look at all this rice, bro. Rice for days.
We call it a Filipino power, man.
A Filipino power?
Yeah, I got Filipino power.
Yeah.
I got Filipino power.
Hey.
Another one? I'm okay. But yeah, my bag is black and it's in my...
Wow. The presentation, bro. Wow.
Don't dog, get out dog.
That's crazy. So this is the meal, guys. We got fucking vegetables, a lot of protein, this meat which looks and smells incredible, and fruits. This is what I've been dreaming about for a long time. This is all I want. And it's right here. Wow. So barbecued so well. No cutlery though, so you just gotta fucking Filipino style, baby. Let's get it. The pineapple. Fuck, you were right about the pineapple, bro. Sorry. Yeah, you got pineapple. Have a bite. Tell me what you think.
Incredible.
Incredible.
Really very sweet, very juicy.
Yeah, very sweet. Yeah, exactly. Oh, loving it. So, after that amazing lunch, we're headed to the next spot right now. And what is the name called, brother?
Intalula Island.
Intalula Island. And it's behind that big rock right there.
That's right.
Sick. How long are we gonna be there for?
How long? Like for 40 minutes.
40 minutes. Okay, cool. Is that the end of it?
No, two more. After
Two
that.
more?
Yeah.
No way.
We got
Come
5 places tonight.
We're not even halfway there, guys, so stay tuned. We just stopped at the next location, and here's where we're gonna snorkel. As you guys can see, the water is clear as ever. What? That was not a backflip, that was a triple backflip. That's crazy. Guys, as you can see, the underwater ocean here in the Philippines is incredible. It's something I have not seen before. It's so pure, so natural, and untouched. It's really perfect. I hope it stays like this. I really hope it does, because it's very, very special. We're moving on to the next spot, and there's still more, guys. We're going to another place that's supposedly very good snorkeling as well. I don't know, like the last place we just came from was pretty epic. So I'm curious to see what this is about. It just keeps on going and going and going. And at first I thought maybe 1,700 pesos was a lot, but no, it's totally worth it, guys. 7-Eleven? That's a 7-Eleven? 7-Eleven right here? Yeah. No way, bro. Can we get a drink from here, this guy? Yeah. Wow, it's 7-Eleven. Fucking 7-Eleven, bro. Yes, sir. So guys, we just arrived to this epic little place. Man, so beautiful. Look at the rocks and the way that it's made. It's like someone crafted this place. I'm serious, I've never seen rocks like this. It's really, really incredible. And good vibes as always. Wow. I thought Thailand was, this is what I thought Thailand looked like, but I think this is better than Thailand. I don't know, you guys let me know down in the comment section. Do you think Thailand or Philippines? Compare it together if you guys have been to Thailand. This is incredible, dude. Like, this is paradise, bro. This is paradise. This is something that you would get out of a postcard. I cannot believe it. Wow. And good thing it's still sunlight, because I thought it was gonna rain.
Yeah, I actually thought it's gonna rain, but yeah, we're lucky because we have a good weather right now at this moment. So we feel like a little bit rain on the Snake Island, but now it's changed a lot.
Can I ask you, bro?
Yeah.
You guys do the South and the North tour.
Yes.
Is the South tour better than the North tour, or you can't compare them?
For me, I can compare. I think I love more Northern tour than
You like the Northern tour? Okay, so I have to do the Northern tour.
Yes, of course.
Okay,
you will see like how big different than
Wow,
South
it's completely different than this.
Of course, a lot of different.
In what sense, if you can explain?
Especially we have a special beach in Northern Tour, like a Long Beach, and then there's not a lot of people go. Like mostly, we came there like every 2 days.
Yeah.
And we came to that same beach, and we saw like only us. And sometimes there's one boat, so it's a Long Beach and clear water.
Just you.
It's beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
The name of the animal is called water monitor lizard. It looks like a Komodo dragon.
Kamolin. Yeah. Wow.
Some Filipinos, they actually like kill that and eat, but
And
it's not
eat it.
about in El Nido. There's other side, like other municipality. Yeah.
Are they dangerous?
It's not. They love eating like the leftover people who eating here, like having lunch here. Then those people like throw the meat of the chicken or pork.
And
so,
he eats it.
yeah,
Wow, he's like a little dog. Yeah, cool. So guys, we're just chilling here, playing some cards.
It's the same game
Shuffle
we played
that.
before.
Look at that. Oh, girl, damn. Whoa, that's clean. That's a clean shuffle. That's a clean shuffle.
Damn, girl, shuffle that. This girl, one of the top shuffles I've ever
Yeah, no, 100%. Look at that. Whoa.
Do your little trick for him. Do your trick.
Do a trick. Oh, she
Oh wait, I think I'm gonna forget it.
Hey yo, don't kill yourself though.
Wow. Shut up. Hey, hit the like button if you guys like that shit. No way, this is real. Look how clear it is. What are you doing, girl? What you doing?
Just playing.
Just playing. I love that. I love that. No, you're not. No, you're not.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. I got it on camera though.
Does it get on? Is it underwater?
It's the bottom part is not, but the top part is. No way, bro. No. You're not. You're not. You're not.
Oh, you're very good. You have the two letters?
Oh my God. Oh. What the fuck? Oh my. Guys, now we're leaving this awesome place, and we're gonna have a little drinking game.
12, 12, 0, 0, 0, 0, 12, 12, 12, 12, 0, 0, 0, 0, 12, 12, 12, 12, 1, 1.
We should play this when we're all way more drunk.
Your cell phone's money. At least if you want to buy some drinks, there was a minibar right there. And we're gonna stay at least an hour. Yes, it's gonna be the last of the last. You can play volleyball, basketball right there. Yes, and Habibi boy.
Okay, guys, so this is the last stop of the boat trip, and look at this. This is spectacular. Like, my goodness. Oh my God. And we just had a little, like, crazy drinking game. My God.
Alright, get
This is so
ready.
cool.
And then you have a 5 seconds.
Let's go have some fun. Let's go have some fun. Wow, guys, look at this. This is so pretty.
Are we making it out today? Oh my God. You do?
Yeah. Oh, this is so nice.
You do that every time.
No, you're not, bro. No, you're not. No, you're not, bro. No, you're not.
Keep going.
No. Come down. Come down.
You're not keep doing going. Go. The one next to you said.
You fucking. Dude, you're. Damn. The ball's on you, bro. Shit. Alright, let's go home. Bro, what a cool place. What a cool place. Okay guys, we're finally leaving this place. Amazing, awesome trip. We're all like a bit tipsy. Are you tipsy, bro?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, exactly. But this is it, guys. The fucking Southern tour here in the middle of the Philippines. Beautiful place. And as I said before, I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So make sure to subscribe, and if you're not, just like this video and just comment down below. 1, 2.
Let's play chill.
Hey, Cristian
Let's
Rodriguez.